Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to prepare Chana Dal with Palak, that is split chickpea lentils with spinach. So the ingredients required to prepare this recipe are, here I have taken 200 grams of Chana Dal and I have soaked it for near about an hour. So it has become like this. Wash it nicely and then soak it. This is one bunch of spinach, that is palak, and I have taken only the leaves and I have nicely washed it because it's very muddy, so I have nicely washed it and I have chopped it like this. Here I have chopped 2 medium-sized onions, 1 medium-sized tomato roughly chopped. This is ginger and garlic chopped. I have taken 1 inch of ginger and near about 8 cloves of garlic and I have chopped them. 2 green chilies slitted. This is Kashmiri red chili powder, half a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder. This is 1/4 teaspoon of hing, which is also known as asafoetida. This is salt as per our taste. Turmeric powder we are going to use 1/4 teaspoon. Here I have taken 2 bay leaves, 4 cardamoms and I have slitted them like this. 1 inch cinnamon stick, and here I have taken half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. I'm going to prepare this recipe in mustard oil, friends, and also at the end I'll add little ghee once the recipe is ready. You can prepare this entire recipe in ghee if you like. So now let's get started. So friends, in the first step I am going to pressure cook this dal. So I have put it in the pressure cooker and I will add sufficient water. So this much of water is enough just for the dal to get soaked nicely. Then I'm going to add the turmeric powder. I will add little salt. And then friends, I'm going to add a little bit of mustard oil. Now I will place this over the gas stove and cook this for about 4 whistles. So here I have placed it over the gas and let's cook it for 4 whistles. Now friends, after 4 whistles our dal is just cooked perfectly. So we will put off the flame and we will remove the dal from the gas and then we'll put a kadhai. Now friends, in a kadhai I have heated 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. You can also use ghee, and I'm going to add the hing, 2 bay leaves, the cinnamon stick, cardamom and the jeera, that is the cumin seeds. Then I will add the chopped ginger and garlic, the green chilies. Reduce the flame when you are adding these ingredients, friends, as it might get burnt. Just quickly saute it. And now add the chopped onions. And now saute the onion along with the ginger, garlic, cumin, green chilies. Now you can put the flame into medium and cook the onion till it becomes slightly translucent. Now the onion has slightly changed its color. So this is the time, friends, when we are going to add the dry spices. That is the cumin powder, coriander powder, garam masala powder and the Kashmiri red chili powder. We are not adding turmeric powder because we have already added it in the dal. Now we will add the tomatoes. Reduce the flame to medium. And saute this till the tomatoes become slightly soft. Now friends, the tomatoes have dissolved and the masala is also nicely cooked. So this is the time we'll reduce the flame to medium high and we will add the palak, that is the spinach. And then we will add very little salt. And we are going to cover this and we'll cook this over medium flame. Spinach has lots of water in it, so it will start leaving water. After 2 minutes, friends, we will open the lid and as you can see, we will saute and cook this spinach for another minute so that it blends well with the spices. Now friends, as you can see, spinach is also cooked properly. It has started leaving oil. So this is the time we are going to add the dal to this recipe. Trust me friends, the aroma is awesome. So here I have poured the dal along with the water and I have increased the flame. Just mix it with the palak. Now the consistency of this recipe, friends, depends as per what you want. If you want it to be like a curry or a little bit dry, so just bring it to boil and let it get dried. If you want it little more liquidy like dal, so you can add a cup of lukewarm water at this stage. Do not add cold water as it will spoil the taste of this dal. So as you can see, it is boiling, so I will let it boil for another 2 minutes. Friends, as you can see, the dal is nicely blended with the saag. So this is the time when I will put off the flame. Dal is completely ready. So palak dal is ready, friends. We will put off the flame. And now I will transfer it to the serving bowl. So here is our palak dal ready. Just before serving, I am going to add little ghee. Because I have not added ghee while cooking, so I will add little ghee, and then it is ready to serve. This will have a very nice flavor, friends. Serve it hot. I hope you liked my recipe, friends. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my latest recipe videos. See you soon, friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.